This isn't just a car. This is a statement, a bold glimpse into what the future of muscle cars looks like. Inspired by the legendary Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, this 2026 concept takes everything we love about raw, American power and blends it with futuristic design, luxury and cutting-edge technology. From the very first look, the exterior commands attention. The aggressive stance, wide body kit, and sharp aerodynamic lines make it look like it's ready to launch even when standing still. The front fascia is bold and intimidating, with sleek LED headlights that cut through the air like blades. As you move along the sides, the sculpted panels and massive alloy wheels enhance its muscular identity. Every curve feels intentional, every angle screams performance. And then you reach the rear, a true masterpiece. The glowing LED taillights, quad exhaust system, and massive diffuser give it an almost race-ready appearance. It's not just a car you drive, it's a car you feel. Step inside, and the experience completely transforms. The interior is a perfect fusion of luxury and sportiness. Premium leather seats wrap around you like a cockpit, designed not just for comfort but for control. The stitching, the textures, the materials, everything feels top tier. The black and white theme with ambient LED lighting creates a futuristic vibe, especially during night drives. The dashboard is fully digital, giving you all the information you need in a clean, high-tech layout. The steering wheel feels solid and precise, with multifunction controls that put everything at your fingertips. The center console is where technology truly shines. A large touchscreen infotainment system controls navigation, media and vehicle settings with smooth responsiveness. Carbon fiber accents run across the dashboard and console, adding a premium performance feel. Even the small details, like the door panels, speaker design, and ambient lighting strips, are crafted to perfection. The rear seats, while sporty and compact, still maintain a level of comfort that makes the car practical for short trips. Overall, the cabin feels like a perfect blend of race car energy and luxury lifestyle. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. This machine is expected to come with a powerful supercharged V8 engine, pushing well beyond 700 horsepower. The acceleration is brutal, launching from 0 to 100 km/h in just around 3 seconds. The sound of the engine alone is enough to give you chills. Deep, aggressive, and unapologetically loud. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The handling has been engineered to perfection, with advanced suspension, systems and aerodynamic enhancements that keep the car planted even at high speeds. There are also rumors of a hybrid assisted system, bringing a new level of efficiency and instant torque. This means you get the best of both worlds. Traditional muscle power with modern electric boost. The braking system is equally impressive, designed for high-performance driving with precision and safety. Whether you're on a racetrack or a highway, this car delivers confidence in every move. When it comes to pricing, this level of performance and design doesn't come cheap. The expected price for this 2026 model is likely to start around $90,000 and can go well beyond $120,000, depending on customization and features. But for enthusiasts, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in experience, power, and presence. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of the future. This car represents more than just evolution, it represents revolution. It takes the soul of classic muscle and pushes it into a new era of design and technology. Every detail, from the exterior aggression to the interior luxury and the raw performance, has been crafted to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. If this is what the future of muscle cars looks like, then the future is incredibly exciting. And honestly, once you see something like this, ordinary cars just don't feel the same anymore.